Are you always tired no matter how much you rest? Do you feel like you're constantly running on empty, struggling to keep up with life's demands? If so, you might be stuck in survival mode. This video will help you understand why you're feeling exhausted and show you how to break free from this draining cycle. Survival mode is a state where your body and mind are constantly on high alert, ready to respond to threats. It's like your internal alarm system is always blaring, even when there's no real danger. This can happen when you're dealing with ongoing stress, whether from work, relationships, finances, or other life challenges. When you're in survival mode, you might notice some common signs. You may feel tired all the time, have trouble sleeping, or find it hard to focus on tasks. You might be more irritable than usual or feel anxious about small things. Your body might be telling you something's wrong through headaches, stomach issues, or frequent colds. But why does this happen? To understand survival mode, we need to look at how our brains work under stress. When we face a threat, our brain activates the fight or flight response. This was helpful for our ancestors when they needed to escape predators, but in today's world, our brains can misinterpret everyday stressors as life-threatening situations. When the fight or flight response kicks in, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones give you a quick burst of energy and heighten your senses. In short-term situations, this can be helpful, but when stress becomes chronic, these hormones can wreak havoc on your body and mind. Let's dive deeper into how survival mode affects your brain. When you're constantly stressed, your brain's amygdala, the part responsible for processing emotions, becomes overactive. This can make you more reactive to stress and less able to regulate your emotions. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, which handles logical thinking and decision-making, becomes less effective. This imbalance can lead to a range of cognitive issues. You might find it harder to concentrate or make decisions. Your memory might not be as sharp, and you could struggle with problem solving. Over time, chronic stress can even change the structure of your brain, affecting areas involved in learning and memory. The physical symptoms of survival mode can be overwhelming. Constant fatigue is one of the most common complaints. You might feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep. This happens because your body is constantly pumping out stress hormones, which can disrupt your sleep patterns and quality. Sleep issues are another major problem. You might have trouble falling asleep, wake up frequently during the night, or feel unrefreshed in the morning. This creates a vicious cycle. Lack of sleep increases stress, which in turn makes it harder to sleep. Your immune system can also take a hit when you're in survival mode. Chronic stress suppresses your immune function, making you more susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. You might find yourself getting sick more often or taking longer to recover from illnesses. Digestive problems are another common physical symptom of survival mode. Stress can affect your gut in various ways, leading to issues like stomach aches, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Some people might experience a loss of appetite, while others might overeat as a way to cope with stress. The emotional impact of survival mode can be just as challenging as the physical symptoms. Anxiety and irritability are often at the forefront. You might feel on edge all the time, worrying about things that didn't bother you before. Small inconveniences might set you off, causing you to snap at loved ones or coworkers. Feeling overwhelmed is another hallmark of survival mode. Your to-do list might seem insurmountable, and you might struggle to know where to start. This can lead to procrastination and a sense of falling behind, which only adds to your stress. Lack of motivation is also common when you're stuck in survival mode. Things you used to enjoy might seem uninteresting or too much effort. You might find it hard to start new projects or follow through on commitments. This can affect your work performance and personal life. One of the most challenging aspects of survival mode is how it affects your relationships. When you're constantly stressed and tired, it's hard to be present and connect with others. You might withdraw from social interactions or find it difficult to empathize with others' problems. This can strain your relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. To break free from survival mode, it's crucial to identify your personal triggers. These are the specific stressors that push you into fight or flight mode. Work stress is a common trigger for many people. This could be due to heavy workloads, tight deadlines, difficult coworkers, or a lack of job satisfaction. Financial worries are another major trigger. Concerns about paying bills, saving for the future, or dealing with unexpected expenses can keep you in a constant state of stress. The uncertainty and lack of control associated with financial issues can be particularly draining. Relationship issues can also trigger survival mode. Conflicts with a partner, family members, or friends can create ongoing stress. Even positive relationships can be a source of stress if you're taking on too much responsibility for others' well-being. Health concerns, whether your own or those of loved ones, can be a significant trigger for survival mode. The uncertainty and helplessness associated with health issues can keep your stress response activated for long periods. Understanding the cycle of exhaustion is key to breaking free from survival mode. This cycle is self-perpetuating, which is why it's so hard to escape. When you're exhausted, you're less able to cope with stress, which leads to more stress, which in turn leads to more exhaustion. Here's how it works. You start feeling overwhelmed by stress, so your body goes into survival mode. This drains your energy, making it harder to deal with daily tasks and stressors. As things pile up, you feel more stressed, which keeps you in survival mode. Your sleep suffers, your eating habits might change, and you might stop exercising or doing things you enjoy. All of these factors contribute to more stress and exhaustion, keeping the cycle going. Recognizing this pattern is the first step towards breaking it. Once you understand that you're caught in this cycle, you can start taking steps to interrupt it. This isn't always easy, and it takes time, but it is possible. So, how do you start to exit survival mode? The first step is prioritizing self-care. This doesn't mean occasional treats or indulgences. It means consistently taking care of your basic needs, getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, staying hydrated, and moving your body regularly. When you're in survival mode, these basics often fall by the wayside, but they're crucial for recovery. Setting boundaries is another important step. This might mean saying no to additional commitments, limiting your work hours, or reducing time spent with people who drain your energy. It's about protecting your time and energy so you can focus on recovery. Asking for help is often one of the hardest but most important steps in exiting survival mode. This could mean delegating tasks at work, asking family members to take on more household responsibilities, or seeking professional help from a therapist or coach. Remember, needing help is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and self-awareness. Creating a support system is crucial for long-term recovery from survival mode. This could include friends, family members, support groups, or professional helpers. Having people you can turn to when things get tough can make a big difference in your ability to manage stress and avoid slipping back into survival mode. Now, let's look at some practical tools for recovery. Stress reduction techniques are a good place to start. This could include practices like deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques can help calm your nervous system and reduce the production of stress hormones. Time management strategies can also be helpful. This might involve prioritizing tasks, breaking big projects into smaller steps, or using tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized. Having a sense of control over your time can significantly reduce stress. Healthy lifestyle choices play a big role in recovery from survival mode. This includes regular exercise, which can help reduce stress hormones and improve mood. It also means paying attention to your diet, as what you eat can affect your energy levels and ability to cope with stress. Mindfulness practices can be powerful tools for breaking free from survival mode. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can help you become more aware of your stress triggers and patterns, and can reduce the tendency to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. As you start to break free from survival mode, you'll begin to notice some positive changes. Your energy levels will likely improve. You might find that you're able to get through the day without feeling completely drained, and you might even have energy left over for activities you enjoy. Mental clarity is another benefit of exiting survival mode. As your stress levels decrease, you'll likely find it easier to focus, make decisions, and solve problems. You might notice improvements in your memory and ability to learn new things. Your relationships are likely to improve as well. As you feel less stressed and overwhelmed, you'll be better able to connect with others. You might find yourself more patient, more empathetic, and more present in your interactions. Overall, breaking free from survival mode can lead to increased life satisfaction. You might rediscover interests and passions that fell by the wayside when you were just trying to get through each day. You might feel more optimistic about the future and more capable of handling life's challenges. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start by assessing your own situation. Are you showing signs of being in survival mode? What are your main stress triggers? Be honest with yourself about where you're at. Next, think about small steps you can take to start breaking the cycle. Maybe it's setting a regular bedtime, taking a daily walk, or scheduling time for a relaxing activity. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to big results over time. Breaking free from survival mode is a process, and it's not always linear. There might be setbacks along the way, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Reach out for support when you need it, whether that's to friends, family, or professionals. And be patient with yourself. Recovery takes time, but it's worth it. You deserve to live a life that's not just about surviving, but thriving. By understanding your exhaustion and taking steps to break free from survival mode, you're opening the door to a more energized, balanced, and fulfilling life. As you move forward, keep in mind that everyone's journey is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. Be willing to experiment and find the strategies that work best for you. And remember to celebrate your progress no matter how small it might seem. Breaking free from survival mode isn't just about feeling less stressed or tired. It's about reclaiming your life and rediscovering what truly matters to you. It's about having the energy and mental space to pursue your goals and dreams, to nurture your relationships, and to enjoy the present moment. As you work on breaking free from survival mode, you might find that your perspective on life starts to shift. Things that used to stress you out might not seem as important anymore. You might find yourself more able to appreciate the good things in your life, even amidst challenges. This shift in perspective can be incredibly powerful. It can help you become more resilient in the face of future stressors. Instead of immediately going into survival mode when challenges arise, you might find yourself better able to stay calm and problem solve effectively. Breaking free from survival mode also opens up opportunities for personal growth. When you're no longer constantly reacting to stress, you have more energy and mental space to focus on self-improvement. You might find yourself exploring new interests, learning new skills, or working towards long-held goals. It's important to note that breaking free from survival mode isn't about never experiencing stress again. Stress is a normal part of life, and in moderate amounts, it can even be beneficial. The goal is to develop a healthier relationship with stress, to be able to respond to it in a balanced way, rather than getting stuck in a constant state of fight or flight. As you continue on this path, you might find that you become more in tune with your body and mind. You might start to recognize the early signs of stress before they escalate into full-blown survival mode. This awareness can be a powerful tool in maintaining your well-being in the long term. Remember, breaking free from survival mode is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It's about creating sustainable habits and mindsets that support your well-being over the long term. It's about learning to prioritize your health and happiness, even when life gets busy or challenging. As you implement these changes, you might inspire others around you to do the same. Your journey could have a ripple effect, positively impacting your family, friends, and community. By taking care of yourself, you're better able to show up for others and contribute positively to the world around you. In conclusion, breaking free from survival mode is a journey of self-discovery and self-care. It's about understanding the roots of your exhaustion and taking proactive steps to create a more balanced, fulfilling life. While it may not always be easy, the rewards are immeasurable: increased energy, better relationships, improved mental clarity, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Remember, you have the power to change your life. You don't have to stay stuck in survival mode. With patience, persistence, and self-compassion, you can break free from the cycle of exhaustion and stress. You can create a life where you're not just surviving, but truly thriving. So take that first step today. Whether it's setting a small goal, reaching out for support, or simply taking a moment to breathe deeply, every action counts. You're on the path to a healthier, happier you. Keep going, keep growing, and remember, you've got this.